Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mark and I help you navigate the exciting world of real estate in Riviera Maya, Mexico. Today we're going to dive into the types of properties you can find in this paradise. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about condominiums. Condos are incredibly popular among foreigners. They offer a blend of luxury and convenience, and often with amenities like pool, gym, and 24-hour security. You'll find condos in bustling areas like Playa del Carmen and Tulum. They're perfect for those who want to be close to restaurants, shops, and nightlife. Condos are also great because they're usually part of a larger community, which means you have the added layer of security. This is particularly beneficial if you plan to split your time between Riviera Maya and your own home country. You can leave knowing your property is safe and looked after. Many condo complexes also have maintenance services, so you don't have to worry about upkeep while you're away. Let's talk about villas. These standalone homes offer more privacy and space. Villas can range from cozy two-bedroom homes to extravagant multi-bedroom estates. They're ideal for those looking for a family home or a vacation rental with a bit of seclusion. Many villas and condos come with private pools and lush gardens. Townhouses in Riviera Maya offer a fantastic blend of space and affordability and a community with amenities. They combine elements of single-family homes and condos, providing balance between privacy and community living. Whether you're looking for a primary resident or a vacation home or an investment property, townhouses provide an excellent opportunity for a great potential for appreciation and rental income. Who doesn't want to dream of waking up to the sound of waves? Beachfront properties are crown jewel of Riviera Maya, Mexico. These homes give you direct access to beautiful beaches and breathtaking ocean views. They can be condos, villas, or even luxurious estates. Beachfront properties are great investments, especially if you plan to rent them out to tourists. However, it's important to note that the cost of maintenance is higher for these properties, and the owners are fully responsible for these costs. The salty air and the humidity can take a toll on the building and fixtures, so regular upkeep is essential to preserve their value and appeal. If you're seeking extra security and a sense of community, gated communities are a fantastic option. These neighborhoods offer you a mix of condos, villas, and single-family homes, often with shared amenities like parks, clubhouses, and golf courses. They provide a safe and serene environment perfect for families and retirees. Lastly, let's talk about eco-friendly properties. As sustainability becomes more important, many developments in Riviera Maya are focusing on eco-friendly designs. These properties often feature sustainable materials, energy-efficient systems, and an integration with the natural environment. They're perfect for you if you enjoy the contact with nature. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for a condo in the heart of the action, a peaceful villa, or an eco-friendly retreat, Caribe Luxury Homes can help you find the perfect property for your goals. If you have any questions or need any assistance finding your dream property, click the link in the description below and talk to one of our agents now. Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.